What if I told you that the largest civilization in the world isn't ours? Welcome to our channel, and today we'll show you why. Imagine a civilization that outnumbers humanity by 6 orders of magnitude, by 1.5 million times. And it's not some bacteria. These creatures have created a fully functional social order. They have a clear hierarchy, professions, and career ladders. They are long past the hunting and gathering stage and have successfully transitioned to agriculture and animal husbandry. They teach the youth, take care of the elderly and the disabled, and even bury their dead. They can even reproduce by cloning. In fact, ants have outlived every single species that prevailed on their planet in the last 100 million years. These tiny insects living in their underground or hidden daytime nests may seem weak and defenseless, but they are actually formidable creatures with a complex social structure and high intelligence. Let's see how they got to be the rulers of the Earth. For the first time, ants appeared on our planet about 50 million years ago. At that time, they were tiny insects about the size of a pinhead. But in just a few million years, thanks to natural selection, they grew to their present size and by now have spread all over the world. Today, there are about 12,000 species of ants known to science, and new ones are still being discovered. In general, the total population of ants is estimated to be between 10 and 15 quadrillion. That's 10 to 15 million, billion. For comparison, the world's population is about 8 billion. So the ants significantly outnumber people. Scientists believe that the total weight of all ants on Earth is about 100 billion kilograms. That's 100 million tons. For comparison, the largest animal that has ever existed on Earth, the blue whale, weighs about 190 tons. That means that almost 500,000 blue whales weigh the same as all the ants on Earth. Now, let's compare an ant colony to a human city. The typical lifespan of an ant is between 2 and 6 weeks. However, colonies of certain species of ants can exist for many years. Their nests can be home to tens of thousands to millions of individuals. Every ant colony consists of several groups of individuals. There are the queen ants responsible for laying eggs, as well as male and female workers. The male's only job is to mate with the queen. As for the worker females, they perform all the other functions of the colony. Worker ants guard the nest, take care of the eggs and larvae, go in search of food, and bring it back to the nest. If necessary, they engage in battle with other colonies. Yes, ants wage real wars, complete with casualties. A typical ant colony loses 10 to 20% of its population each year due to wars with neighboring colonies. Ants have been farming for millions of years. Some species grow and raise entire herds of so-called aphids. These small plant-like insects secrete a sweet liquid called honeydew, which ants use as food. Ants protect the aphids from predators and even bring them back to their nests for the winter. Ants are also one of the most intelligent species on Earth. Scientists have found that ants are able to recognize each other by sight and even remember faces. Moreover, ants are excellent navigators and can travel long distances without getting lost. Thanks to their hard work and intelligence, ants have created the largest civilization on Earth. However, life in the colony isn't always smooth. A simple infection can turn them into real zombies. Like and subscribe for more Mind Boggle TV.